One boss. Listen. Red lights, we never stop. Yellow tape and white chalk. I was taught to be a man from these streets, ain't have a pops. I was raised to use these hands, nowadays I use a Glock. I don't feel too many times, but I can't seem to get a knot. Look, thuggin' in these streets, you know I'm built for this. You ain't understanding shit if you ain't live like this. Say a nigga made it, but I just went from shit to piss. I think this music saved me, no deal, but I still won't quit. Look, I've been crossed so many times as if I'm playing ball. But when a nigga start the ball, they go to veering off. Nigga thought they was my dog, but they ain't no dog at all. Auntie told me, boy, before you learn to walk, you gotta crawl. Look, niggas say I'm moving too fast, but I'm just living. I just think they doing a little bad, and then they feelings. Quiet to my accomplishments, if I fall, they'll be cheering. I'm just trying to free my big brother and feed my chillins. I'm just trying to be a better me and stew this weapon. I won't let you niggas bury me, just know I'm stepping. Just because I feel I'm not afraid, I'm just a felon. And ain't accepting none of that bullshit you pussy niggas selling. Think they deaf, but I know these niggas hearing me. Say they numb to the pain, but I know they feeling me. Must be blind, cause I don't think no niggas seeing me. One-on-one, so ain't no way you'll see another me. Boss, my life, my life, my life, my life, my life, my life. Ain't no sunshine, it just rain. Ain't no good times, it just pain, it just pain. Look, my life, my life, my life, my life, my life, my life. Ain't no sunshine, it just rain. Ain't no good times, it just pain, it just pain. One boss. Look, when you see me, man, just know a nigga been through it. I'm talking about, I had to do an 8-year bid, my nigga, to get where I'm at. You know, I lost my mom and baby sister at a young age. I'm talking about, them crackers took my brother. My brother doing a 35-year bid for something he didn't even do, man. But y'all don't hear me. I'm talking about, you could be the solidest nigga in the room, and they still gonna hold their nuts on you, man. Come on, man. You know, but I strive to rise in the midst of all this shit, though. You know, I will prevail, though. Talking about, you know. Rest in peace, Lil Reek. Rest in peace, Lil E. I'ma hold this shit down. Let's see. My life, my life, my life, my life, my life, my life. Ain't no sunshine, it just rain. Ain't no good times, it just pain, it just pain.
Down the Barrel TV.